Today I am reviewing Amazon Echo Show 15. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Meet the all-new Amazon Echo Show 15, the ultimate 15.6-inch Full HD smart display designed to bring your home organization, entertainment, and smart home control to a whole new level. This isn't just a kitchen gadget. It's a versatile hub that keeps your life on track, connects your family, and even lets you enjoy your favorite shows in stunning quality. Let's start with its display and design. The Echo Show 15 features a 15.6-inch Full HD screen that can be mounted on your wall or placed on a stand, giving you flexibility to fit it anywhere in your home. The display supports both landscape and portrait modes, and the vibrant colors make everything, from family photos to streaming content, look incredibly sharp. It's perfect for a busy kitchen, home office, or even a living room where you want one central hub for your digital life. One of the standout features of the Echo Show 15 is its ability to keep your family organized. You can customize widgets on the home screen to see your family's calendars, to-do lists, reminders, and even the local weather at a glance. No more missed appointments or forgotten tasks. Everything you need to manage your household is right on the screen. But the Echo Show 15 isn't just about organization. With built-in Fire TV, it unlocks thousands of apps like Prime Video, Netflix, YouTube, and Apple TV, letting you stream movies, shows, and videos directly from the display. Plus, with the included Fire TV remote, you can navigate through your favorite content effortlessly. The audio system is equally impressive, featuring dual 2-inch woofers and two 0.6-inch tweeters, giving you rich, clear sound whether you're watching a show, listening to music, or making a video call. Speaking of video calls, the Echo Show 15 takes your connection with family and friends to a whole new level. It comes with a 13-megapixel auto-framing camera, a wide field of view, and 3.3x zoom, making video calls feel natural and immersive. Noise reduction technology ensures that your calls are crystal clear, even in busy or noisy environments. For those who love smart home automation, the Echo Show 15 is a central hub for your devices. You can control Zigbee, Matter, and Thread-compatible devices directly from the screen, or with your voice using Alexa. Want to turn off all the living room lights at once, or check your security camera feeds? It's just a tap or voice command away. And thanks to Amazon Sidewalk, certain connected devices can even stay linked and functional, even if your Wi-Fi goes down. Another fantastic feature is the ability to frame your favorite memories. The Echo Show 15 can function as a digital photo frame, displaying curated images of your family and friends. This adds a personal touch to your home while brightening up any space. Privacy is always a concern with smart devices, and Amazon has addressed this with multiple layers of privacy controls. You have a microphone and camera off button, a physical camera shutter, and the ability to view and delete voice recordings. This ensures you can enjoy all the benefits of a smart display without compromising your privacy. Setup is simple and frustration-free. The Echo Show 15 connects to your Wi-Fi quickly, and with the Alexa app, you can manage compatible devices, enable accessibility features, and get personalized assistance tailored to your needs. Whether it's adaptive listening, touch-based Alexa control, or voice captioning, this device is designed to be accessible for everyone in your home. In summary, the Amazon Echo Show 15 is much more than a smart display. It's a complete home hub that organizes your family life, entertains you with Fire TV, enhances smart home control, and even frames your most cherished memories. With vibrant visuals, powerful audio, natural video calling, and robust privacy features, it's a device that truly makes life easier, more connected, and more fun. If you're looking for a single device that brings together entertainment, productivity, and smart home functionality in a sleek, modern design, the Echo Show 15 is the ultimate choice. Transform your home, stay connected, and enjoy the smartest 15-inch display Amazon has ever made.